Today we are talking about the simple past of irregular verbs. The regular verbs make the past in different way. As we can see, go, the past becomes went, ate, eat becomes ate, take becomes took. And the regular verbs don't follow any rules, and you have to learn them by heart. Imagine that there are about 200 irregular verbs in English to learn by heart. If you give a look in a word chart, we find the infinitive base form, the past simple, and the past participle. Then we have the auxiliary, and then we can see the base form, past simple, past participle. In this case, be is in the base form, then the past simple becomes was or were, and then past participle becomes been, and so on. Have that becomes had, do that becomes did, do, or done. To facilitate our memorization, we can divide this verb into groups. In this case, we have the group 1 that have the same tree form. In this case, you can see, for example, cost, base form, past simple becomes ghost, and past participle cost. And the other verbs are similar. Then we have the group 2 that have the base form in different way, and the past simple and the past participle, they have the same form. As for example, I take the first verb, bring, that becomes brought, and so on. Then we have the group 3 that have that change the past simple. For example, the base form of come is come, then became the past simple came, and past participle come. The same for become, that became, and then become. And then we have roam, run, run. Then we have the group 3 that change completely in all three form. I take one of this verb, for example, drink that became drank that became drunk. Obviously, you have to learn them by heart, and this is the easiest way to learn them. How do we have the verbs in the interrogative sentence and answers? We can see that in the interrogative sentence you need the auxiliary did plus subject plus infinitive or base form of the verb. For example, did she buy a CD? Another question can be, did Hannah eat an hamburger? You see that it becomes infinitive. And the answer, if negative is short negative, is no, she didn't. And the affirmative answer, she ate salad. As you can see, ate in past, simple past. Then, if I have another questions, and then we can have also affirmative answers. Did they win the match? Yes, they did. Eh, as I told you before, we can talk also about negative answers. We have negative sentences, subject plus didn't plus infinitive. As an example, you have you didn't buy ticket for the concert. So didn't is the auxiliary to form the negative sentences. Then We have again a question. Did you make a mince pie? No, I didn't. I made a chocolate cake. As you can see, the verb in the question is infinitive, and in the answer is a simple past. Thank you for the attention.